Well, today the Supreme Court, in an unusual move, has transferred the petition of Troy Anthony Davis back to Savannah, to the local federal district court, to have a hearing on the issue of whether or not there is whether or not there are facts, or to hear whether the facts and the testimony that would tend to show whether or not Troy Anthony Davis is innocent, or any evidence that showed up after the trial 19 years ago that tends to go to his claim of innocence. That's a pretty unusual move, and I think some of you are familiar with the Supreme Court's opinion today. It indicated that it's been about 50 years since the Supreme Court has made a ruling similar to the ruling that it made today. But I want the people of Chatham County and the citizens of Chatham County to really understand that this does not mean that Troy Anthony Davis is receiving a new trial. It's basically the federal judge will have an opportunity to hear any claims of innocence that Troy Anthony Davis may need to make relative to any evidence that was found since the trial 19 years ago. It's my expectation that this is not going to be a short process, because after the local federal judge has an opportunity to hear this evidence, there's the opportunity that the defendant can appeal once again, or it could mean that the evidence suggests that the case be sent back to Savannah for trial. But in any event, it's going to be quite a while before we get a resolution in the Troy Anthony Davis case.